I go in there?
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Dun, 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 dun.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. And today, because today's Mother's Day, I wanted to start off the vlog by wishing you guys a happy Mother's Day. Hope you had a great one, because this is going to be coming out later in the week. So hopefully you had a wonderful Mother's Day. All Zoran really wanted for Mother's Day was to go to a Giants game, San Francisco Giants, go to one of their games, and you know, we made it happen. We are in the city right now. And I also want to start out the vlog right now by asking you guys to please drop us a quick like. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and definitely hit that bell button to get notifications when we have a new vlog. We are starting today off, we are starting today off, like I said, here in the city, and we are eating chicken and waffles. It was, I think, either between dim sum or chicken and waffles, and Zayana really wanted some waffles. So we are here at Little Skillet, a restaurant that back in the day when we were in college was just like a little window, but now it's an actual restaurant and there's a bar. So we are gonna go grab some chicken and waffles and some drinks.
Is it spicy? Food is here. Whoop. You got Cajun fries, some veggies, mac and cheese. This is why we're really here. Chicken and waffles. You ready, Andre?
Yeah. So yeah, what are we about to do? Yes, we are at the Giants game now. Do you know what we're about to do?
Yeah, you hit the ball.
Yeah. Yes, so we're gonna have Zayana do some T-ball.
Go, run, Zay, run! No! Ah!
Go.
Oh.
Go home. Get the home plate. Touch it.
Okay, we'll stop recording.
Wow.
That's not nice.
Be nice.
High five.
That's nice.
When did Zay get camera shy, guys? Do you see that? She was like, no. How rude. This chick, I swear to God. Three-nager all the time. Three-nager. Oh, now she's, I asked her if she wanted to do again. It looks like she's getting back in line. Where are you going? How's your cotton candy, Zay? Who got you that?
Isn't it? Lola.
Oh, we're at our seats.
Both of our favorites. Zayana is my favorite cotton candy. Is your favorite too? This is grape flavored too. It's delicious.
Oh my God, that face. None for Uncle. Now you're feeding me. Cotton candy personally is not my favorite. I like the fries.
Coaching for San
The garlic
Francisco
fries.
at third base, number
On a
23,
cold night,
Ron Lopez.
I like the hot
At first
chocolate.
base, number 7.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. Today we're at the ball game with moms. Mom number 2 with baby.
What do you want?
What's it? Why is your mouth blue, dude? Why is your mouth blue?
Okay, cotton candy.
That's a cotton candy.
Why look at my tongue?
Look at your tongue. Look at the tongue.
Show them your tongue.
Show your tongue.
Gross.
Gross, weirdo. Yo, boo tongue. Confirmed. My niece is an alien. And then we have the munchkin over here.
Oh, getting hella dirty.
And a little bow bun over here.
She wants water.
Yeah, that's it. That's your 1 minute with Uncle Andre. So peace.
1 minute too long, don't
Alright, so we're back at home, and I think Zayana has something for mommy. Do you have something for mommy? Whoa. You don't want to talk to us? You're just gonna go?
Stop following me.
Hmm? Oh, why are you camera shy? Uh-oh. Okay.
Stop following me.
Oh, stop following you. Okay, how about I zoom? What are you What's that? Who's that for? What do you say?
For me? Hey, I'll get a hug?
There you go.
I've seen these before.
Happy Mother's Day.
Where'd these come from? From the floor. You're so thoughtful. You. You kiss. Hey, she doesn't like to kiss on my lips because she says, "You have chapstick or lipstick, mommy?" She doesn't want it.
Yep.
Teenager, guys.
Seriously.
Told ya. Okay. So now I'm making some Nutella brownies because Zalia's down for naps. They took a nap in the car, and we're going to my aunt's house for Mother's Day dinner. So I'm gonna bring dessert and Nutella brownies. That's what I'm making with this. It's like one of my go-to desserts because we tend to have like a crap load of Nutella in our pantry. And look at that, I just emptied out this 2.2 pound jar from Costco. We didn't even know we had this up until like last week, and then I made some for Zay's teachers for Teacher Appreciation Day, and they killed it at school. Like I even made double the batch, which is what I'm doing right now. But there's a lot of Nutella in here, guys. So if you love Nutella, this is definitely something you would want to try. But if you've tried any other Nutella desserts, leave a comment. Or like, if you just love the Nutella, just comment and let me know. And I just want to know what other, I should really like test other Nutella related recipes, because I've been making this Nutella brownie recipe for years. But look at that. Hella Nutella. Morning, guys. It's Monday now. Oh, no. Nope, don't leave. Don't leave. Must stop this girl from escaping onto the street. Oh, what are you doing? Ewy, that's not Ewy. Are you smelling it? Just, she sees flowers in our garden and she said, Ewy. But we're about to leave for Costco. But I just wanted to update y'all. I did not eat very good yesterday. And I'm having regrets. They're not Ewy. But I'm starting my morning with my shake. And I feel much better already drinking this. I have like a whole serving of, actually I have like 2 servings of fruit and 2 servings of veggies in this because I really need it. I only had like 1 serving of veggies yesterday with breakfast, and then there were carrots in the pad thai my aunt made yesterday, but other than that, I didn't really have veggies, so I felt like crap. Leah, stop saying ewy, they're not ew. Look at her. Can you say, smells good? Is this lavender? This is a lavender. Yeah, this is lavender. This one smells good. Smell this one. So we forgot to vlog. We were waiting for these ravioli samples. Now look at this chick. Loving life. She was eating Lucky Charms right before this. And now she just is eating my ravioli. Can I have some? No. Okay, you can have it. Here you go.
So lately, you guys know how we love Target, but because, you know, Kirkland Target has their awesome healthy options, we just got, what is it, cauliflower rice?
Yeah. Why is the camera so low?
I think I lost it. I don't know where it is.
The camera?
No, the cauliflower rice.
They have, it's so dark too. They have cauliflower rice.
Did you bring it in?
In bulk. It's right there.
I'm blind. Can't see.
Oh my god. Anybody else's husband can't find anything for the life of them? Mine can't find anything and doesn't hear anything I say.
Selective hearing.
No, it's not selective hearing. It's deaf. Anyway. Giant pack of cauliflower rice.
Organic ground beef. Fresh farmed raised catfish. With all this healthy stuff. Excuse me, Zalia's crying. And we just bought a Blendtec. I got Zoran a new, what is it?
Vitamix.
A Vitamix for Mother's Day, but apparently it's too nice for her. She wants something that, because she worked at Jamba Juice. She wanted something that they had there. to bring her back to those days, I guess. But yeah. All right, we're gonna go pick up Ziana, so we gotta go. It's a very sad day, guys. So, it's not a sad day? Well, I think Ziana begs to differ, but it's been a little over a year now that we've had Perry, and this past weekend, Perry finally passed away. He is in gold beta fish heaven. Okay? Yeah. So do you want to flush him down the toilet?
No.
What are we gonna do with him then?
What do you want to do, babe?
Put him in the sink.
You want to put him in the
Sink?
in the garbage disposal?
What do we do with his body? Put him in the garbage?
Put it in the sink so we can wash him away.
Oh, down the drain in the sink.
Yeah.
Okay, so
That's a new convention. It's a new
so
way
like
to
the
do it.
But
toilet. Have you seen Finding Nemo? You put them in the toilet, they go to the ocean.
no.
Don't you want him to be with his mommy and daddy and brothers and sisters and aunties and uncles
Babies,
and babies? Yeah.
Yeah, down the toilet.
they're looking for him.
Yeah, they're waiting for him to come home.
Yeah, maybe he'll be alive again if we flush him down the toilet.
But
Maybe he's pretending like in Nemo.
Ooh. He's trying to escape us.
Mhm.
Okay?
So let's put him in the toilet, okay?
no.
Alright guys, for Ziana's sake, please drop us a huge like. And if you guys are new, please subscribe. If you guys have not checked out our past videos of our vacation, our last vacation to Seattle and Vancouver, be sure to check out our channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
What did you say to Wally?
Don't die.
Oh. You love him? Give him a hug.